and welcome back to our channels. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can log in your HBO Max account in your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged into your HBO Max through your app, all you need to do is simply tap open your HBO Max app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where later you can find an option called sign in. So once you simply tap on the sign in option, you will be redirected to this page. Here, all you need to do now is simply type in your email address and then the password which you had used to create an HBO Max account prior. So if you don't have an account, then you can simply tap on the sign up option to create a new account. However, if you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on the forgot password option to reset your password. So this is how you get logged into your HBO Max account in your app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.